Okay, I just pulled off the oil pan. Put the lid to my lens over here. Pretty obvious what happened. I don't know if you can see this, but the oil filter, the oil pickup is completely sludged out. It's not even working. That, to me, and I'm not, I work on cars a lot, but to me that's a sign of the coolant leak. You hear about, you look at the oil and it's got this whitish color. Oh, look at that. That's incredible. Incredible. That's crazy. That is just wild. I'm just walking around. I'm not like I say, I'm not no expert at this. I'm using this camera. So I did soak it. In a second I'll try to turn this crankshaft. But I'm pretty sure something's bent in here. I took apart, by the way, I'm in my shop. It's got a metal roof. That truck over there had a frozen engine, and I took it apart a couple years ago when I was bored. I had nothing to do, and it had a bent rod. And while I'm on it, when you get a bent rod, it puts a strain on the whole crank. And so I put it back together. I didn't change the. Let's put it this way: you got to line bore all your crank your rod bearing journals. In other words, if I can see this, the part where the bearings go had to be a line board, because when I put it together, the crank wouldn't turn. Anyway, I got that back together. Now it's just sitting. I got this new truck, the 2000 Ford Super Duty V10. I'm retired, so I don't worry about gas. I hardly go anywhere. This thing is a great truck. Everything works. No dents. Anyway, that's it.